So I'm going to get the prep wipe out. And this just takes all the oils out of the skin so that the chemical peel can penetrate better. It is a very strong odor. I'm always going to have my nice soft music going in the background, so hopefully you feel a little bit relaxed. Okay, so we've prepped the skin. Another reason that I have this in here with my iPhone is it helps me keep track of time. So the very first time I'm going to do your peel, it's going to be anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. It's 12:33 right now. We're going to get started with the peel. I usually start with the chin and work my way up. I like to get as close to the lip line as possible to help those vertical lip lines. The nose to reduce the pore sizes, or the pore size. And I'm setting it down and I'm waiting, and you can do, I can go over and do another layer if she's not getting too red or if she's not discomfort in any pain or any discomfort, which typically with a 30% there is, the worst it's going to feel is like you want to itch it and or a little bit burny. On a scale of 1 to 10, where would you say, with 10 being the highest, with feeling like you're going to want to itch it or burn, where would you say you're at?
It doesn't hurt at all. I mean, so 1, 2.
So we're good to keep going. She's at a 1 or a 2. It's 12:34. And the whole time I'm just watching the skin for redness. If she's getting too red in an area, then I'm going to start to neutralize the peel. And I just get it ready, because sometimes it can all of a sudden just happen within a minute, you know, where you start getting too red, and so then it's time to start neutralizing. And of course, like I said, for the first time peeler, I would not want to go over 3 to 5 minutes anyway. So I'm going to start neutralizing the side that I started with. So I want to try to make sure it's all neutralized before we move to the next step, which is the calming gel. And of course, not letting her leave without putting a sunscreen on. And during these peels, you always want to wear an SPF of at least minimum 30. So does it feel okay now? Do you feel like there's any hot spots anywhere?
No, it feels good.
Okay. So I'm going to get my calming gel out. This just helps to neutralize it and make sure that it's all calmed down. If you're out, during the day today, you're gonna feel like something was done. You might be a little bit pink the rest of the day. And I ask that you don't take a shower or get it wet for 12 hours. Get your face wet or wash your face for 12 hours after the peel. I mean, if you were caught in the rain, that's okay. Don't panic. That's fine. but just ask that you don't get your face wet for 12 hours. Not to use anything harsh on your skin for probably 24 hours, maybe even 48 hours. No retin-A's, no benzoyl peroxides, and especially when you're during the peeling process, if you're peeling 2 days later, you're probably not going to want to use those anyway. So it's kind of at your discretion, but you'll know when to start using your retin-A's again, usually 3 to 4 days after your peel. After you're done peeling, you can start using your retin-A again. And then this is the SPF. I use Obagi SPF of 50, so she'll be well protected today when she leaves. I mean, I'm going to ask her that if she's outside to, even if you're not outside, if you're even driving in your car, to keep reapplying your sunscreen every 2 hours. And there. That is a Glytone 30% peel here at Facials and More Med Spa. And I just wanted you to see what you would expect when you come in for, if you bought one on a Groupon, or even if you come in here for your very first peel. Thank you.